At the HDFC School, the student is the center of the activities. Any concept taught, be it any subject, is always with a pre-concept activity, a concept-based activity and a post-concept activity. So there is no way a child will not learn in such a curriculum. And just the curriculum is not enough. You need to give the child the right environment. So our teachers are there to ensure that a student is nurtured in an environment where learning happens very seamlessly. We have activities which complement a student's learning journey that propels them towards creative brilliance. Public speaking skills are so important because if you can speak, you can influence. And if you can influence, you can change lives. We want our students to be leading global citizens, influence, change lives for the better, so that their potential can be unleashed to the fullest. And what helps us is providing our students education, which leads to excellence and paves the path to empowerment. And this is our motto: educate, excel, empower.